Hey guys, welcome. This is Mona, and this is Plant Therapy. So it's a nice quiet Sunday, and I figured let me knock out some of my chores here. Two of them involve Cornianas. This is the Corniana Silver Splash, I believe it's called. There's also one called Super Silver. I don't know which one that is. One side you can see has a splash greener leaves. On this side you got more silver leaves. But anyway, what I'm doing here, this plant fell again. I don't think it was the first time. Tipped over because the vines got caught on some other plant, and as I was moving things around, of course, you know what happened. Big mess. So anyway, not unusual. I think most of us do it at some point. So anyway, I decided to put this on a trellis, as you can see. I topped off the soil too with a little bit of soil with more orchid bark, because I know Hoyas seem to like that. And it's really chunky. It's a different type of orchid bark that I got. So I just thought I'd turn the camera on and let you guys join me. Hopefully all is well. You guys are having a wonderful Sunday. All right, I think that one is set, but to ensure that she doesn't tip over so easily, I am going to give her this cash po, just to keep her upright. Can you see that? I'll move this up for you. I'm sorry if the light behind there is causing a glare. Maybe I should give you guys some light too. Bear with me, I'll be right back. Okay, so I hope that's better. You guys can see better, hopefully. But anyway, here we go. Part 2. I don't think it's a big deal if I take this off for right now. It might make it a little easier, and then I'll put it back on. I want to repot this into my own soil. Here she is. She's been growing like crazy too. I really like her. I gotta try to find one of these. Hopefully, I think I do have another one somewhere that I can put her in. So the contrast between the white and her dark leaves, I think would be nice. But anyway, I just want to give it my own soil. So, and I think I'm going to put it in one of my clear pots. Okay. Okay, so went and got the clear vessel. Now these roots are not bad. I wouldn't call this root bound, so I'm just going to stick with about the same size, but just refresh it with my own soil. I don't like this stuff. It just seems so dry. Recently I was watching another YouTuber, and typically I always thought Hoyas just like to dry out, wouldn't hurt or whatnot, but then seems to be some opinions out there that they like a little bit more water than one would think. Did I just see something? So paranoid. I've had plants with spider mites like crazy. Spider mites are really working a nerve these days. But anyway, let me not get sidetracked. So anyway, and the person I was watching is a serious Hoya collector. So I'm gonna test it out. I know these smaller leaved Hoyas seem to require a little bit more water. The thinner ones, not the succulent leaves, like on a crinkle 8 or something like that. So I do try to water them maybe a little bit more often than I used to, just to see if it makes a difference in their growth. But these guys grow like crazy. I don't know, it took me so long to get Cornianas, but I don't have any Lacanosa, which is odd because they're very similar to me. I mean, they kind of look the same, so I don't know. One is a hybrid, maybe Corniana's a hybrid. I'm not sure. I'm not an expert when it comes to stuff like that. So, don't call me out. All right, so I think that's all I'm gonna do as far as messing with the roots. Let me get some soil, fresh soil. These plastic pots are great because you can see if your soil's dry. Kind of like having that ability to see what's going on in that pot. And just to make it more decorative, I put it inside a cash pole. That will hopefully keep it upright too, toppling over so easily. Although with the trellis, sometimes you have to be careful not to knock it over. All right. Find my bamboo stick. I think I had one somewhere. Not really sure, but I will get to that part in a little while. The plant seems fine. I may water it just a little bit to get it a little hydrated. Just put it in here for a moment. Give it a little water for now. And find myself, I don't know if I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use the same trellis. I kind of like this round shape. Like I said, I'm going to try to find a white cash pot or cash pot, whatever you guys want to call it. Okay, and then work it around like so. What's happening there? Am I in frame? Okay. Which one should I? Let's go this way. All right. So that is it for now. Here we go. The 2 Cornianas. Hopefully will be happy in their new homes. Stay tuned for more repotting videos coming up real soon.